So today I'm here with the new triangle, which is if I have two angles and one side given, how I need to draw it. As I've stated earlier in the previous videos, that how we draw different cases. This is case C for that. Let me recall you that we were doing all these three cases, and this case A, all three lengths are given, is discussed in the previous video, and this two lengths and one side given, which is side angle side, it is also discussed earlier. Now today's topic is one length and two angles given, that is angle side angle. So how I need to draw a triangle with two angles and one side given. So let's start with a question to explain it to you. This is construct triangle XYZ such that XY is 10.2 centimeter, XYZ angle is 60 degrees, this Y angle is 60, and then YXZ is 45. That means this center alphabet X, which is 45 degrees, and then measure and write down the length of XZ. So first I will draw this particular triangle, and then I will go to the answer and I will measure XZ. So I've copied the data here that XZ is 10.2 centimeter, XYZ is 60 degrees, and YXZ is 45 degrees. I need to measure XZ, that is not known. And this is case C, that is one length and two angles given, that is angle side angle. So let us go to the steps of construction first, that how we need to construct it. We will first draw a line segment of 10.2 centimeter and we will name it XY. So whenever you have been given a length and two angles, you will first draw the line which is given to you, that is XY, in this case that is 10.2 centimeters. Then we will place our protractor at Y to make 60 degrees as XYZ was 60 degrees, and then we will place our protractor at X making 45 degrees as YXZ was 45 degrees. Now then we will extend both the lines, and where it joins that point would be named as Z. Now let me show you how I will draw this triangle and on a piece of paper, and then we will talk about the answer. So I have copied down the data, that is XY is equals to 10.2 centimeter, XYZ is 60 degrees, YXZ is 45 degrees. So now we have two angles and one side given. So first we will draw the baseline, which is XY 10.2 centimeter, that would be 0 till 10.2, and we will name it XY, which is 10.2 centimeters. So we are done with the first thing, which is 10.2 centimeter. Now we need to draw both the angles, and then we can conclude to Z. We have point X, Y, and we need to draw Z now. So first of all, I know that the angle Y is given, that is 60 degrees. So I will keep the compass, the protractor at point Y, which is the center alphabet, and I will draw 60 degrees. So I'll keep it here on Y, and the baseline is on the left hand side, and on the left hand side the zero on the protractor is outwards, so we will see the reading outwards, which is 60 here, and then we will extend this line. After this, now we have an angle X, which is 45 degrees. So we will keep the protractor at X, and 0, and the baseline is on the right hand side, so inner 0 So we will mark 45 degrees, and now we will extend this line as well. So we had a question that we need to measure xz. So we will measure, this is point z, this y, this we have degree of 60, this we have degree of 45, and now we need to measure xz. This is xz. So we will keep our scale here and we are going to measure it, and it is 9.1. So 9.1 centimeter is xz. If the question asks you to find the length of yz, you can do that as well by keeping the scale here, and here it is 0, and here the value is 7.5. But in this question it had asked me to calculate xz, so I've given xz, which is 9.1 centimeter. Now we have got this triangle as I've shown you in the video, how I constructed, and then the answer we need to calculate was, we need to measure was xz, that was 9.1 centimeter, as I've shown you in our video, that xz is measured by the scale, that is 9.1 centimeter. So that's all for today. I'll be coming up with the next video soon.